Solicitors in Dubai have 2 weeks to register all co-occupants in both owned and leased properties with the Dubai Land Department. Officials today said the registration must be completed within a maximum of 2 weeks with immediate effect and applies to all owners, developers, property management companies and tenants. An 8-step process must be followed, including adding each person's personal details and Emirates ID data. Once registered, co-occupants will automatically be updated on the tenancy contract. The circular comes as the UAE government updates its rules to reflect the evolving needs of its massive expatriate population. The UAE is home to more than 200 nationalities.
Land Department, which is done through the Dubai Rest app or via the DLD website. The requirement to register co-occupants applies to owners, developers, property management companies, as well as tenants. Co-occupants would include spouses, children, other family members, and also domestic employees such as nannies, drivers, or chefs. In other words, anyone who lives full-time in the premises. However, the registration of co-occupants implies that only those who have UAE residency would be registered. This is because the details of the co-occupants which must be entered into the system include Emirates ID as well as the date of birth. Furthermore, the registration requirement applies specifically to Ijari registered tenancy agreements, which means tenancies for a period of at least 1 year. The deadline for registration is 2 weeks from the time of announcement, which will be October 7th, 2022.